Myself Ashish Agrawal.
And myself Sahil Soni.
On behalf of Katabanji Lions Public School, management, teachers and students, we welcome you all to our
30th annual spectacular movement, the Carnival 2024.
Now, I plead everybody present here to be settled in their respective seats and have a little more patience as we are about to initiate today's grand program. Once again, I would like to convey my extended greetings to all the parents, guardians, guests and invitees to the splendid evening. How beautiful the evening is, and so does the aura and ambience surrounding it. The flags are flying, the balloons are ready to be released. It is a great day, once we have been planning and waiting for. I am sure you will consent this as an agreeable salutation to the pillars of the society who have been proved to be the epitome to stand as godfather of this institution and paved the way for this long beautiful journey of 30 years.
guests are equal to the God, and we must show our hearty hospitality to them. On this auspicious, delightful evening, we are among some worthy dignitaries who have joined with us to spare some time from their busy schedule.
We are very much grateful to have some lovely dignitaries amongst us as the glittering stars in clear sky, twinkling very brightly in this joyful occasion. Now, it's time to welcome out honorable guests one by one to the beautiful dais.
I am proud to take the privilege to welcome a man who is purely education-minded and encouragement amongst the teachers and students, a man of great mission and vision, a successful team leader who is completely dedicated to his duty, whose idle guidance and encouragement extinguishes all worries and trouble. He is none other than Dr. V.V. Ramanamurthy, Principal, Katabanji Lions Public School. I request him to come forward and take his seat on the dais. I do request Mr. S.S. Das sir to escort him to the dais. Please, sir. In this auspicious occasion, the second fabulous evening of Carnival 2024, I am going to welcome a person who is quite education-minded, a great educationalist, a strong and able administrator whose valuable time is spent in the field of education, like a sparkling pole star amongst the curious budding children. She is none other than Mrs. Sunita Moon, chief guest of this evening and director of Little Angels group of institutions. I request her to come upon the dais and adore her seat. I do request Mrs. Sunita Tiwari madam to escort her to the dais. Please, ma'am.
It is said that doctors are the incarnation of God. They are the second life givers, whose valuable guidance and loving touch gives a new hope and sparkling rays to a new life. Their importance and dedication is quite remarkable and unforgettable. Their help and support to humankind during the pandemic can never be paid or valued. In this fantabulous evening, we have got such a person who belongs to the profession of medical, a kind, dedicated, a man of sincere with an everlasting smiling face is none other than Dr. Bishwajit Mahapatra, Master in Surgery and Professor in Urology. As a guest of honor of this evening, I request Dr. Bishwajit sir to come upon the dais and take his seat. I request Mr. G.K. Patel sir to escort him to the dais. Please sir.
Now, it's time to welcome out executive members of our school to the dais. Now, it's time to welcome Sri Anil Agrawal, executive member of Katabanji Lions Public School. I welcome him to the dais. Please, sir. Now, it's time to welcome another executive member of the school, Sri Bajrang Jindal, to the dais. Please, sir, come upon the dais and take your respective seat. Please, sir.
Dr. Biswajit.
Now, I would welcome Dr. Govind Agrawal, another executive member of our school, to the dais. Please, sir, come up on the dais and have your respective seat. Please, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome Sri Mahendra Jain, an executive member of the school, to the dais. Please, sir, come up on the dais and adore your seat. Please, sir. Now, it's time to welcome a person to the dais who deserves no introduction. A very well-known figure and a man, impressive personality, a man of perfection, great debonair, education-minded, a source of endless inspiration and epitome of dedication, a great social activist. He is our loving and respectable secretary, Mr. Kailash Chand Agrawal. I do beseech him to come upon the dais.
Take the privilege to welcome him, a man who always looks energetic, dashing and ready to spread an extending hand of help, with a pleasant personality, whose careful management of finance leads our academy towards the point of utmost growth. He is quite hardworking and dedicated towards his duty. Shri Kailash Chand Agrawal, treasurer of Katabanji Lines Public School. I do welcome him to the dais and request him to take his seat. I request Mr. P.H. Thakur sir to escort him to the dais.
Now it's time to welcome a person to the dais who is very hardworking, helpful, and a man dedicated to his duty. Please, sir.
A life without noble dream is like a boat without boatmen in the deep ocean. Now I take the honor to invite a man to the dais whose great vision is development of Katabanji Lines Public School. He is a man of dedication whose hard work brought the innocent children to the stream of education. A well-known figure, social activist and inspiring figure, Mr. Pyarelal Jangra, immediate past chairman of Katabanji Lines Public School. I request Mr. G.K. Patel sir to escort him to the dais. Please, sir.
It's time to welcome a person to the dais who needs no introduction. Epitome of love amongst the children. A perfect guide like a pole star with an impressive personality. A man of method, extremely dedicated to his duty. And also sincere, dynamic, who never seems to get tired, who steers the KLPS ship in the right path. A great educationalist, Shri Devanand Agrawal, founder chairman of Katabanji Lines Public School. I do request to Mr. B. Kanda sir to escort him to the dais. I request him, please sir, please come upon the dais and take the respective seats.
A matter of great regret that our loving chairman, Sri Sankarlal Agrawal, is bedridden, for which he is unable to present among us. The school management and staff miss him a lot.
A lamp eradicates darkness. A lamp is the symbol of knowledge, power, divine and strength. As we all know, without God, we are nothing in this illusional world. So how can we forget God in such a carnival moment, for which we would like to initiate the program by lighting lamp before Goddesses Saraswati and Lord Ganesha. For this purpose, I would request all our guests on the dais to lead the prayer for all of us present here. Please, sir and ma'am.